case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1978, the Arizona Supreme Court heard State v. Sauter, a case that revolved around the legal principle that if someone injures another person and that injury could lead to their death, the perpetrator can be charged with murder even if the victim's death is partly due to a medical error. The case began when Richard Robert Sauter and Matt Charles Lines engaged in a drunken altercation, during which Sauter stabbed Lines. Despite undergoing surgeries to repair his injuries, Lines ultimately died from an unrepaired injury to his abdominal aorta. Sauter argued that his guilt should be limited to assault rather than homicide, as the surgeon did not discover the injury in time. The court rejected Sauter's argument and upheld his conviction of voluntary manslaughter. They cited previous cases establishing that if someone unlawfully wounds another person in a way that endangers their life, they cannot be excused of responsibility if the victim dies from the wound or as a result of medical malpractice. Ultimately, the court affirmed Sauter's guilt in voluntary manslaughter, reasoning that his responsibility for causing the wound that endangered Lines' life made him liable for homicide. The presence of medical malpractice contributing to the death did not exempt him from facing criminal consequences.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.